2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, power door locks, passenger airbag, child safety locks, MP3 player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.